Hey guys, let's talk.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Tanya from Tanya's Travel Tips, and I wanted to do a video to introduce myself. I really thought a lot about how I wanted to introduce myself. I thought, like, should I get all fancy? Should I get all dolled up and dressy? Maybe put on some fake eyelashes or something? But then I thought, honestly, that's not me. Most of the time, I look just like this. I'm in between errands. I'm a mom, I'm a pharmacist. I work and I'm always going in between all my kids' sports and just running a million miles a minute. And I feel like I relate to a lot of you. And so most of the time, I'm gonna look just like this. In fact, I'm in between errands right now. I have a load of laundry going, and I'm about to pick up my kids in about 15 minutes. And I thought, what better time to introduce myself than now? Also, just so you know, if you ever catch me without coffee, then I'm probably sick, so call somebody. The most important things in my life, of course, are my husband and my kids. But we love to travel. We travel a lot. In fact, that's where we spend most of our money. I like to travel and be frugal everywhere else, basically so I can travel some more. We travel for sports as well, for soccer tournaments and dance competitions, but I love family vacations. And I spend so much time researching all the best tips and tricks, and I want to use this channel to share that with you. Because if you're gonna take a trip that I've already taken, why waste so much time researching it when I can give you the advice that I found out from all my hours of research, or sometimes ways I found out the hard way. Also, stay tuned to the end of this video when I tell you one of my little secrets. As many of you know, I'm also a travel advisor. Sure, I'm a pharmacist by day, but I became a travel advisor by passion. I love researching trips and I love booking trips. And now I use my travel advice to book trips for my family and friends all the time. And it is literally one of my favorite things to do. In this channel, you're gonna find things like travel tips, cruise hacks, cruise tips, any kind of tips or tricks that I have come across the way, I'm gonna leave them here for you, so hopefully that you find them beneficial as well. What I don't want on this channel is haters. If you don't like my content, that's totally fine. There's so much content out there. Just go somewhere else. But if you're like me and you're busy and you just want a safe, fun place to learn about travel or learn about my tips and tricks, please stay. I would love for you to like and subscribe and be part of my travel family. Also, we're on an adventure to do all 50 states before the kids before the kids go to college. I have a friend who is doing this with me, and so look to my channel to see vlog-like videos of all of our 50 states adventures. It has been such a good time so far. Okay, so the little secret I have, I want to become a comedian on a cruise ship one day. I have told a couple people, and I'm funny. You might not know me yet, but I'm pretty funny. I am always telling jokes, and I envision my retirement as me just booking travel and also just traveling on cruise ships and being a stand-up comic. Does anyone do this for a living? Who does this, and how do I become that? Can someone tell me how I can transfer from being a pharmacist to a cruise comedian? I would like to know that path. At the end of the day, guys, I'm just a busy mom. I love traveling, I love researching, I love laughing, and I love having a safe place that makes traveling easier. If you feel like this would be a good fit for you, grab your suitcase, grab a cup of coffee, watch some of my videos, hit subscribe, and we'll travel smarter together. Also, if there's anything that you would love to learn, just drop it in the comments below. I'm always open to that. Thanks, and it was really nice to meet you. And welcome to my channel.
Alaska and Hawaii.